when they find one thing wrong with you, they stop looking for anything else. And they use that one thing to explain why everything else is going wrong. All right, I need to take a moment to get something off of my chest. I normally don't vent. You guys know we wait 6 months or longer to see a specialist here in the States. And when we finally get into that doctor's office, we are hoping for relief. We are hoping for a solution. We are hoping that they can figure out what on earth is going wrong. So I waited 6 months to see a specialist to rule out some really scary things. And as we started the testing, the doctor realized that I had a really bad back. However, I've lived with a bad back since 4th grade, so it's been a long time. Why is it that when they find one thing wrong with you, they stop looking for anything else, and they use that one thing to explain why everything else is going wrong? I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's very possible we have multiple things going wrong. Multiple. In fact, with autoimmune, I can guarantee you we have 6 or 7 things going wrong at this point. And to just pin it all on one thing that happened a long time ago without then excluding other things, in my opinion, is dangerous. Because it was discovered that I had a bad back, the doctor stopped all testing, blamed all of my symptoms on that one thing, and now I am 2 years undiagnosed. Because once that doctor feels that they have reached a proper assessment, they don't keep looking. You have to then move on to another doctor, and guess what? Wait 6 months before you get in to see the next specialist, and you start the process all over again. And believe me, when I tell you this is a very tiring, time-consuming process that makes us wait years before we're given the proper medication or before we even know what is actually going on with our own bodies. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but there are multiple things going on. And it's not science to blame everything on one thing without excluding other things. Because you find one thing doesn't mean you get to stop looking. It doesn't mean, yes, I have that one thing wrong, but nothing else could possibly be wrong. In what world does that even work? All right, I gotta calm down. I also have to manage my stress levels on top of everything else. All right, I'm super frustrated that we wait so long before we can see a doctor. And then once we see the doctor, we're not even given proper treatment. So here's a question. Why aren't the doctors properly testing us? Like, why aren't we getting proper testing? Is it the insurance fault? I don't think it falls all on the doctor's shoulders. I could be wrong, but I think we have multiple layers of things that are messed up. The insurance companies, the doctors themselves, maybe they're closed-minded, maybe they're not, maybe they want to dig, maybe there are some really good doctors out there, but maybe the insurance company is keeping them from doing everything that they should be doing. If you know, let me know in the comments. I know there are good doctors out there, but there are many more that are not good. We can blame this on a lot of things. That maybe I'm a woman, so they don't want to listen to me, but I think we have a lot more going on that we don't even understand. How many of you out there has had the exact same thing happen? Don't give up. Keep looking for someone that will listen to you. Keep advocating for yourself. And remember, we're all in this together.